let's discuss. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. Let's see what is happening in the world of crypto, guys. You are welcome. Guys, the crypto market is still trading sideways. They like today, so Bitcoin and crypto is trading sideways. So the good thing is that the crypto market is holding strong. So Bitcoin, let's so you guys can see it's above $104,000 once again. So yesterday we did back down to $103,000. So now the market is still trading sideways. So you don't have to be scared. So one thing is that the Wall Street they keep buying and buying and buying. So the global Bitcoin race is on. So which we'll be looking into that. So the big boys, the Wall Street. Yeah, evening guys, you are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. So let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. And you guys all know what brought the market down yesterday. So that is because President Trump, so he made a tweet on his X account that seems like, the war between Iran and Israel is not ending anytime soon. So, which it was crazy. So, the crypto market was down, not just the crypto market, the global market was down yesterday. But the Wall Street keep accumulating and accumulating. So, it's amazing. So, the Wall Street keep buying and buying and buying. So which we'll be looking into that. So there's still a lot of good things happening in the space. So which I'll be looking into that. We'll be diving into the market. So let's see what is happening in the world of crypto, guys. Yeah, guys. As you guys can see, so Bitcoin is still holding strong. So Bitcoin is still trading above $104,000. So yesterday, people were, yeah, people were being fearful once again. So that is because the war between Iran and Israel seems like it's not ending anytime soon. But one thing I want you to take out is that the Wall Street they keep buying and buying. So yeah, even if a day like today, President Trump he says that Jerome Powell is not smart, so he don't think that Jerome Powell will be cutting rate. So which we'll be looking into that as well. It's crazy. We all know that why did Jerome Powell don't want to cut rate? That's because inflation is real. So which is why I'm here every single day to keep encouraging you guys to invest in a strong asset like Bitcoin and crypto. So we will all achieve a financial freedom together. So inflation is real, and not just that as well. So cycle just jump up, so hitting all-time high. So following, the Senate just passing the P regulation, stable coin. Yeah, you are welcome. You are welcome. I can see you guys. I can see the chat booming. So you are welcome, guys. So there's still a lot of good things happening this way. Just even if Mexico, so Mexico billionaire Ricardo Salinas, he said that, so Bitcoin will be more valuable than gold, which most of you guys already know that for sure. So Bitcoin will be more valuable than gold. So that's because even if, which is why a lot of people still think, this Bitcoin should be heading up to like $1 million, next cycle, which I also think the same. So Bitcoin is still holding a market cap of $2 trillion as of today. And gold is holding a market cap of about, $22 trillion. So not just that, so guys, there are a lot of good things in the space. Healthcare firms, so just predicts by healthcare firm, which is called predicts. They just bought another $20 million worth of Bitcoin, and $1 billion was just emitted about a few hours ago. $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. So $1 billion worth of Bitcoin was just minted few hours ago. Which is, so we show you that more money still coming into the crypto space. So despite the war between Israel and Israel and Iran, and it looks like the U.S. is getting involved. So which is why this is still the global market is dropping down. So it seems like U.S. is getting involved. So in the Israel and Iran war, which is not good. So war is not good, and you guys already know that. Yeah, guys, for sure. Share this stream with your friends and family, so let them know about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So let's discuss. Let's discuss. You are welcome. If you have any question, drop your question on the chat. I'm streaming a little bit late, so and also sorry. for that. So guys, so you guys can see, there are a lot of good things about the crypto space that is happening in the crypto market. We show that for sure Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay, and we are just getting started. Most of the altcoin, the market is just looking flat today. Most of the altcoins are looking flat. So as you guys can even see on the screen, so and it. So the good thing is that even if Ethereum is still trading above 2,500, Solana $144, just like last week. Raven, how are you all doing? So Solana just like last week. Raven says Israel even when they are wrong. They will always be backed by US. Yeah, for sure. So because they have a good relationship. So which is why it's very, very important to build a relationship with people. So you are 100% right, Raven. So even when they are wrong, so at least they try to make sure that so Israel, US always back them. So and this thing, it did not just start today. It's also in the Bible too. So you guys know that which for sure Iran can't defeat Israel. So they will just try, but they can't defeat Israel. So which take us here, as you guys can see, Iran threatens irresponsible damage if US enters Israel's conflict. So, which is crazy. So, Iran is saying that if US gets involved in this war, so it will be good for them. So it will be good for them. So and not just it will be good for the US, but at least it will be good for market. Yeah, Jude, guys, you guys are welcome. So it will be good for markets. So because war is not good. So just like as I was saying yesterday, so if you have $100 and you want to die, so what will you be doing? At least you eat your $100 and be going. So which is what is happening? Seems like what is happening right now. So and because Bitcoin is a risk asset, so many people have to sell off their risk asset. And you guys can see that Bitcoin is still holding strong. If it's the previous cycle, which is why I always say that the volatility keep reducing and reducing and reducing every single cycle. As you guys can see, if it was previous cycle with this news alone, Bitcoin will have dipped down like about at least 30-40%. You know, so which is crazy. So the volatility keep getting better every single day. You guys can say so. This is war that already involved Iran and Israel, and now Iran is threatening US that irresponsible damage, irresponsible damage if US enters Israel's coverage, which is crazy. So which brought us here. So this is President Trump. So guys, Trump says uh, Trump says stupid point probably would cut rate when Fed meets as Wednesday. So President Trump is now saying that for sure Ron Paul will cut rate. So he says stupid, stupid, which is a stupid Ron Paul, which is stupid Fed. So which you guys can see here from Cointelegraph in other angle. Trump says Paul is not a smart guy and probably would cut rate today, which most of you guys already know that is not true. Yeah, you guys are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. So you are welcome. So let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. Let's see what is happening in the world of crypto. So you guys already know that that is not true. Ron Paul is smart. So why Ron Paul don't want to cut rate is because inflation is real, guys. Inflation is real. So and the government they keep printing more money. So one of the way for you to hedge against inflation one of the way for you to hedge against inflation is by trying to make sure that you invest in a strong asset like Bitcoin, that does not have that asset that does not have inflation. But the government money, which is fiat, they keep printing more money every single day. So which is why I'm here to let you guys, to keep letting you guys know what is happening in the crypto space and what is happening in the market so that you guys will fall for this. The big boy, the way they are here to take away your money. So that's because each time the market dip back down, they will be accumulating more Bitcoin and crypto. That is because they know very well that Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. So Bitcoin goes nowhere. So if you look here, let's see what next. Which this is what I'm saying. just about $1 billion meted at Tether's treasure. So this is a new $1 billion, which is fiat, the government money that just deposited, in treasure in Tether treasury, and meted a new USDT. So that what will they be doing with this new cash? They will be buying Bitcoin and crypto. So which is why Bitcoin and crypto goes nowhere. So you don't have to be scared each time the market dip back down slightly. So why will you be fearful that Bitcoin is down with a few percent? Unless you are not looking into the long term. So if you are looking into long term, you will totally understand how the crypto market works. That Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. You don't have to be scared. So each time the market dip back down with few percent, this is $1 billion that was just meted about a few hours ago. Another $1 billion that is coming into the space, despite the war between Israel and Iran. So which is crazy. With this, you will totally understand that so the crypto market will keep going up in value. And if you are just coming into crypto right now, you want to invest, you don't know how to invest. So you're in the right place. I will be starting my DCA portfolio. So very soon, when I will be adding at least $50. So to my portfolio every single week. It will be a public portfolio, which you guys will be seeing what I'm buying. So it's amazing, which is why at least you need to make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel at Charisco Crypto. So let me bring the name out again so you guys can see it better. So you can see the name. You can see the name here. So it depends on the social platform which you are watching from. So Charisco Crypto, so at the top. So type it on your YouTube channel. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So we'll be able to discuss about Bitcoin and crypto together. So guys, another one here, you guys can see. Yeah, I can see the chat keep booming. So, guys, you're all welcome. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. So, I'm here every single day to let you guys know about the crypto market. So, this is what I've been doing over the past few years. This year, buying as much as I can. And today, you guys can see Bitcoin is up. All you just need to do is to take profit whenever you buy. You buy low and sell high, which is how the crypto space works. So I've been using DC over the past few years. Now, I'm up in profit. So which I want us all to achieve in the next few years. So guys, you guys can see here, another one here. European first Bitcoin treasury film buy another $20 million in Bitcoin. Now they are now holding $170 million. Don't forget, this is how this thing started. Only Meta Planet. So, there was buying at least, Meta Planet when they started, they were buying 50 Bitcoin, 60 Bitcoin, you know, 100 Bitcoin. Even if as of today, they're now buying thousands of Bitcoin. So, which is amazing. So, even if as of today, Meta Planet is now holding at least 10,000 Bitcoin. That is more than $1 billion, which is crazy, guys. So you can see it's on chain. The big boys keep accumulating and accumulating and accumulating. Yeah, guys, you are all welcome. You are all welcome. So if you have any question, drop your question on the chat. So I will be doing Q&A. So every single live stream. So we do Q&A at the end of the stream. So where we at least discuss and share our idea about the market. So you guys let me know what you are buying and what you think about the market and what you think about what is happening in the crypto space. So I know that this will really encourage you guys for using this year. Bitcoin has created more millionaires than ever over the past few years. Bitcoin has been in existence less than 2 decades. So less than 2 decades, Bitcoin has been one of the best performing asset over the past few years, and it has generated more millionaires than ever. So we show you that, for sure, Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. The big boys keep accumulating. This is not even include, Michael Saylor, which is already holding 580 something thousand Bitcoin. What about $63 billion? So what of Bitcoin? Saylor alone. Saylor is already holding such amount of Bitcoin. Guys, a second, man. Let me turn on this AC. Yeah, guys, back. So the big boys keep accumulating and accumulating. So another one here, guys, as you guys can see. So this is another one. This is another one, as you guys can see. French public traders traded, which is the Bitcoin's is called the blockchain group. They just bought an additional 182 Bitcoin for how much? 17 million euro. So at least you can see that more European company should keep adding Bitcoin to their portfolio. So which is amazing. So another one here, guys. So Spain, Spain's second largest bank, which is called the BBVA. So even here in Europe, so most this BBV bank is most part of this one of the most biggest banks in Europe, as you guys can see. Spain's second, okay, it's even here, second largest bank. So second largest bank. This is second largest bank, which is called, BBVA. It's telling wealthiest clients to invest in Bitcoin. So that is because, over the past few years, let's still find out that, so Bitcoin has been one of the best performing assets. This is the one asset that does not have inflation. You know, every single year, Bitcoin keep cutting the supply by 50 every every 4 years, which is every having event. So we have every having event happen every 4 years, and every 4 years, so Bitcoin block supply be cut by 50%. So we show that so there's not much Bitcoin out there. Even if as of today we have how much Bitcoin out there, we see we have 1.3 million Bitcoin for the miners to mine over the next hundreds of years to come, which is crazy, guys. So, guys, don't be scared each time the market is down with few percent. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay for sure. So if you have any question, drop your question on the chat. We'll be doing Q&A and sharing the stream with your friends and family. Smashing the like so it will give you opportunity for you to win crypto from me, crypto NFTs from me as well. So which it's one of the way at least for you to win crypto from me. If you need a free crypto, you need a free NFTs. So I usually do at least random giveaway. So, and I will be also be investing some few hundreds of dollars in some good altcoin when the market is down, so that when we are upwards again, I will be giving back to the community. So, guys, Senate, US Senate passes a Junius Act to regulate a stable coin. You know, so making a crypto industry win. This is another win for the crypto space, for the crypto industry. That is because so stable coin will make a huge so it will make a huge impact in the crypto space, which most of you guys already know that. Yeah, you are all welcome, guys. So you guys already know that. So stable coin, please, it's just like one of the coin when you want to trade. At least you used to trade, you swap your money, you swap your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency on it when you are taking profit, which is very very important. So guys, you guys can see, another win for the crypto space. Few years ago, so even if less than 10 years ago, so what we be hearing about Bitcoin and crypto is that Bitcoin is used for scam. So Bitcoin is used for scam. So but now you can see US already add Bitcoin to their reserve. The United States of America added Bitcoin to their reserve. It's amazing. So guys, you know, there's no any other asset that has outperformed Bitcoin over the past few years. So all you just need to do is for you to keep make sure that use this year dollar cost average for sure. It's one of the way for you to accumulate wealth, so that when the market is up, you will be in profit. So the big boys, you guys can see, they keep taking a huge step ahead. So which this is Trump's crypto Caesar. Crypto Caesars calls Junior's art passage a landmark movement. A landmark movement for stable coins regulation. This is just like as I was saying. So this is huge for the crypto space. So it will really help the crypto space. Please, this is huge. This is huge. This is huge. So the big boys, a lot of good things still happening in this crypto space, despite following the war between Iran and Israel, which is bringing the market down. Once this conflict, once the Iran and Israel resolve this conflict, you guys will see what will happen to the crypto space. So it will be booming once again. Yeah, guys. So another one here, which is just like as I was saying, Psycho. Psycho share just dropped about 10% after the US Senate passed a bill regulating stablecoin. So the stablecoin regulation is coming. So it's coming. Not just stablecoin regulation, even if as far like Solana as well. So before the stablecoin regulation, let's quickly see this. This is Mexico. Mexico billionaire. Before I showed you guys, what is happening. So because Solana will be integrating internet computer, so which we'll be looking into that. Uh, So this is Mexico's billionaire, which is called Ricardo Salinas, says Bitcoin will be more valuable than gold, which is for sure. Most of you guys out there already know that Bitcoin will be more valuable than gold. That's because even if as of today, you know, Bitcoin market cap is still a little bit small. It's still small. So compared to the market cap of gold. And I was looking into it about a few days ago. Bitcoin is just about 1 point something percent in a global market. So we still show that, so Bitcoin, we are still early in Bitcoin. We are still early in crypto, guys. We are early. Yeah, you are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome, guys. I can see the chat from here, Bome. So you are welcome. And once again, guys, don't forget, as always, you guys are smart and intelligent. With Bitcoin and crypto, we will all achieve a financial freedom together. So, guys, let me play the short clip so you guys can hear from, the horse's mouth. So this is Mexico, billionaire telling you guys that, so Bitcoin will be at least, you know, will be more bigger than gold in the next few years.
Bitcoin is a new global reserve asset. It will surpass gold. So take home values from this talk. One thing, Bitcoin will be more valuable than gold shortly. Now, today, at $105,000 per Bitcoin, um, the 2 billion, the 20 million Bitcoins that are out there, well, they're worth, 2 point something trillion. Gold is worth like 16 trillion. So Bitcoin should go up at least 8 times to equate the storehouse or the value storage capacity of gold. And I have no doubts that it will happen very shortly. I mean, I wouldn't say when, but if you look at any trend, gold in terms of Bitcoin, the trend is going down, and it's so easy to see.
You guys can hear it there. You guys can hear it that Bitcoin, because the market cap is still small, and for sure it will over the next few years. So we will have the market cap of equivalent to gold, so which will be taking Bitcoin at least to $1 million per coin just the next few years. So which let's say I still believe next cycle to happen next cycle at least. So minimum next cycle at least Bitcoin will be trading between $500,000 and so not so without being so much bullish, it will be taking Bitcoin to like several $100,000. Being bullish, I believe it will take Bitcoin to $1 million, next cycle. It may not happen this cycle, but for sure next cycle it will happen. It will happen, guys. So, guys, another one here. Let's see this other headline. This is Venac spot bit. Okay, Venac spot Solana's ETF, as you guys can see, it's now listed on the DTCC platform with with the sticker, which is called VISO. So this is Solana Spot ETF is coming, guys. For sure, the Spot ETF is coming. So Solana Spot ETF is coming, so which we all know it will bring more money, not just for Solana, at least to other altcoin as well. So if a Solana Spot ETF got approved, so most other altcoin will follow as well. Which, as you guys can see here, another huge news for Solana, Internet Computer, which is called ICP. Last I remember when they launched ICP. So between it was launched between that early 2020. ICP, was trading between about $2,000 per coin. It's crazy now, RCP, because the market cap was too valuated when they launched it. That is how it dropped down to almost nothing. So now it's integrating Solana to create a multi-chains app. So this will help Solana, and this will also help ICP as well. So which is good. So you guys keep saying that so the crypto space, the crypto community, they are not sleeping. Let's everybody out there keep working on the project, which is why I believe so much in so Solana has been one of has been at least been performing good over the past few years as well. So this is what I was saying just now, which is the Solana. So guys, this take us here. Iran. So let's look at this before doing Q&A. So Iran exchange, which is called Nobites, hacked for over $81 million, which is crazy. So now it's been said that by Israeli, so Israeli killed hackers, but based on Iran have issue with Israel. For sure, if anything happen to Iran right now, so or anything happen to Israel, so they will have to tell you that for sure. So either it's caused by Israel or it's caused by Iran, which is crazy. So this is not good for sure. Hacking an exchange, it's not good. So this is not good for the exchange at all. It's not good. So this is huge money. $81 million is huge. So taking away from an exchange, So how will those people be able to recover and get this money back, which is crazy? So it's not good. It's not good at all. So guys, we'll be doing a Q&A question and answer. You guys say that, a lot of good is still happening in the crypto space. The Wall Street, they keep buying. So the Wall Street keep buying and buying and buying and buying. So you guys can see, which is why I say that the global Bitcoin race is on. The global Bitcoin race is on. So don't miss out. So the big boys, they keep accumulating and accumulating. Now the market is slightly, it's a trading sideways, which is amazing, which is normal. So the crypto market is trading sideways. So trading sideways for now. So which I think, so it's normal. So please, don't be scared. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. The big boy keep accumulating and accumulating and accumulating, as you guys can see. So guys, yeah, let's do Q&A. Hmm. How are you all doing? Yeah, favor, tracker. I'm good. Hmm. Miraculous. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you. Evening. Favor, how are you all doing? You like the new setup, Abby? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I try to, which is why even if this day I stream late because try to put all those things together. Try to give the channel the best. For sure, in the next few years, for sure, you guys will see. So we will all be, at least, we will all be in profit. Slade. Rebel, I'm good, guys. It will be broadened if there is a real war. Ah, it's true, you are 100% right. I totally understand, so it's not that war is not good. It's not war is not good. So which is what is bringing the market down. And you guys know that President Trump made a tweet yesterday, which I showed you guys yesterday. So the tweet that was made by President Trump yesterday wasn't a good tweet at all, guys. It wasn't good because that tweet which President Trump made yesterday, it seems like so the war is not ending anytime soon, and it seems like even if US is getting involved and Iran. But I also saw a headline just now that the Irans are ready to 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 dialogue with them. So which it will be really good at least if Iran dialogue with US at least. But I heard and you all know that Trump was already telling Iran about this that it will be too late when he is ready to dialogue with them. But we hope that they resolve it because even if innocent soul will be lost, so they will be killing people. So which is not war is not it's not good. It's not good. War is not good. Ah, Raven, that Israel, I think maybe it's because the way how God built Israel. So they win battles. They win battles. Over the past few years, they have been winning battles. So when God is beside you, so there's nothing, no one against you. No, because if you look at the Word of God, which is Bible, so you find out that for sure. So Israel have been, winning battles for love. Jude. Uh, Abi, my voice is not loud, Osita. Maybe because I load this thing before, so I hope it's loud now. I don't load which is the microphone before. Let me know if it's better now. What do I think if when we see soon green markets, Abi? Uh, you know, the good thing is that still believe that the cycle have not ended yet. So because if history is on our side, we still have some few months left. So after having event, so after having event, so we usually have 18 months, and between that 18 months, sometimes at least we usually at least the cycle usually end before then, so and then after, so sometimes the cycle usually end after the 18 months. So which if it is on our side, we still have few months left. And most of the data, what we need to look right now is chart. Most of the chart are still saying that the market is not, is still on track. So I check the chart every single day. So I look at the chart, play with the chart every single day. Look at chart. So before I tell you guys, oh, maybe this is what is happening in the market. I usually look at the chart to know what is happening in the market. Well, according to what is the chart is telling us, the chart is still telling us that we are still on track. That is what the chart is telling us. Why are they still meeting? Meeting it means that meeting means that let's say they want to buy. Like according to favor, like say for example, if you are in Nigeria now, so you deposit 1 million naira to the broker. So to convert that 1 million naira to USDT. So that means they just meet new USDT. So at least they take it out from a fiat, which is the government money. So they take it out from the government money and add it in the crypto space. That is because they want to buy more Bitcoin and crypto. So which is why I still think that $1 billion. So that it just emitted today. So we show that for sure. More money is coming into the crypto space. So Bitcoin is not ready to go down anytime soon. The big boys are still buying the way they're still buying. Yesterday, I showed you guys the charts, even if when BlackRock, even if in the past 4 days, BlackRock added 2,000, something, 2,000 something. I showed you guys the chart yesterday, which I don't think I have the data here. Because people just allow the market dip already. So everybody need the deep side, but not everybody. Let's say people who buy Bitcoin around $110,000. If they are just coming into the market and they did not understand how the crypto space work, those people, they will be scared. But if you understand how the market works and you have been here for the past 2 cycle, for sure you won't be scared that Bitcoin is down with few thousands of percent. So as I was, even if yesterday I was telling you guys that if you ask me, you know, if I prefer Bitcoin to dip back down to $50,000 or Bitcoin to head up to $200,000 or $150,000, which one I prefer? I would prefer Bitcoin to dip back down to $50,000. It's an opportunity to accumulate more Bitcoin. So when the market is up, you will be in profit. Which is this the strategy is simple. People who made money in cryptos are not traders. That's because when you are trading, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But when you buy low and sell high, that is how you make money. Look at Michael Saylor. Saylor is sitting between about 23 trillion, no, let's say trillion, so $22 billion in profit. $22 billion is sitting. So they are now holding 63 billion in total in Bitcoin. They invested between 41 billion. Now they are sitting with $63 billion. So that is how it works. Yeah, people who is trading, tracker, people trade every single day. So I look at the charts. So if you look at the data, so you find out that about, the past 24 hours, we have more than $200 million that liquidated, short liquidated. People already, sorry, log, because the market did back down. So log, we have about more than $200 million log that get liquidated in exchange just about the past 24 hours. So people are still trading. So one thing I was saying is that once the market is set to pop, so it's a good time to trade when you want to play around the market. So one of the best strategy is using DCA. But when you are in profit, at least you may decide to take out some profit to trade, to play around the market. But when you are just coming into the market, you don't understand trading. The best strategy is investing. So which is why you need to make sure that be here. So we'll be DCA in the crypto market together. Abi? ICP was famous that time. Oh, yeah, for sure. I remember when ICP was trading between $1,000. It was crazy. ICP was trading between $1,000 at a time. So deep back down because the market cap, the way when they launched the 2K, they did not launch it well. So they evaluate the market cap so high. More than the market cap was more than how much that time? More than 100 billion when they launched it. So it should have been that huge. So which I think it was one thing that bring the 2K down so hard. Yeah, favor they created a new USDT, new one. So they want to at least to buy. So that is what they will be doing. The market is still trading sideways, guys. So don't be scared. So that Bitcoin and crypto is trading sideways. It's just normal. So the crypto market is always volatile. So which is why there is opportunity in the space. So if there is no risk, there is no opportunity. But which is why I always say, don't go all in. Try to make sure when you have a side hustle, it's simple. So invest only money which you are willing to lose, money which you don't need in the next few years. You have $10, you have $2. Imagine you buying $10 worth of Bitcoin 2011. Today you will be holding $1 million plus. So which is amazing. So that is, there's no any other asset that can give you such return than Bitcoin and crypto. So which is why you need to be in the crypto space. So and if you are watching me right now, that means you are in the right place. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. So we have to grow together in crypto. So I want to see a lot of people the next few years achieve financial freedom. So we achieve financial freedom together. See people, see you guys in Bitcoin conference. So in crypto conference as well. So at least which is what I want to see in the next few years. So guys, Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. You don't have to be scared. So President Trump is saying that Jerome Powell is not smart. So because Jerome Powell don't want to cut rate, but which we know Jerome Powell is smart. But why is President Trump thinking that Jerome Powell is not smart? That is because Jerome Powell don't want to cut rate. The question you need to ask yourself is that why is Jerome Powell don't want to cut rate? The first place, Jerome Paul don't want to cut rate. That is because Jerome Paul know that he knows so much that he know that inflation is real, guys. Inflation is real. So there's inflation out there. The government making pretty more money every single day. So and one of the way for you to hedge against inflation is by at least try to make sure that invest in a strong asset like Bitcoin that has a mass supply. So and that does not have inflation. Bitcoin has been one of the best performing assets over the past few years, and it will keep becoming one of the best performing assets. So, which is why you need to make sure that you are in the crypto space. So, not just in the crypto space, Web3 as well, NFTs. You know, as I usually say, I go with 40% in Bitcoin, 20% in big cap, 20% in main cap, the another 20% going to the NFT sector. So, which is how I usually spread my money across the market. And it has been working so well. So using a DCA, guys. Yeah, guys, you can see the chat for me. So, guys, for sure. So always tune in every single day. Let your friends, let your family know about Bitcoin and crypto. So that is because Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. So in the next few years, Web3 is the future of finance that will give power to the masses. Yeah, for sure. Miraculous. Web3 Web3 is the future of finance that will give power to the masses. I believe so much in Web3. So I created my own NFT called The Women with the Golden Coin 2022. So you guys can also check them out on OpenSea. But back then, you will create NFTs and you will be seeing that when once you just create NFT, you see people being, buying that particular NFT was trading between a point 0.5 ETH back there. That was and Ethereum was trading above $4,000. So that means about $1,000 plus back then. So NFTs, so which is why I still believe so much in NFTs. And you guys can see that you can still pick up, you can still pick up some good NFT which you believe so much on, which is why I deposit a few hundreds of dollars that day. So which I will be the market is down right now. Maybe I will be since to be the market is slightly down. You guys can see I'm still holding how many Solana here, sir? Okay, can see. Okay, 6 Solanas. So I want to pick up some Solana NFTs, and you guys know, like, let me see if I can connect to Magic Eder here, man. Yeah, this is Magic Eder. Good. So to be picking up some NFT the next few days, and you guys know I always try to make sure that my NFTs. I also send some NFT to you guys. So who always tune in every single day. So that is because I still believe so much in NFTs, guys. Let me see. I want to try to make sure I can see okay, my NFTs holding is here. So you can see that this is NFTs on Magic Eden. Those are my NFT holding on Solana chain. So this one, because this address is unnamed, still holding 198 NFTs here. So it's not that good. It's not that big price. So guys, don't according to so I don't usually want to show those stuff. When you guys know that when you are so I will be sending. So all you just need to do, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Always share the stream with your friends and family. You will consider yourself winning. So I will also be sending NFTs to you guys. So sometimes when we do a giveaway of NFTs, this is Solana chains. So we'll be picking up NFTs the next few days, like NFT like OKBN. This is what thing I will say about taking profit. Let's quickly look at OKBN. So this is OKBN, guys. OKBN, as of today, we already do Q&A. I just want to let's quickly navigate through the market before we call it a day. So this is OKBN. I remember 2022, I traded this NFT when it was still trading between 60 to 80 Solana, this NFT. But today, OKBN is trading between 1.7 Solana, the floor price. This is the power of taking profit. Let's say I was holding this NFT when this NFT was trading between 80 Solana. So even if when it was trading between 60 Solana, I sell my NFT. Let's say I was holding two. I sold one. I keep this 60 Solana. A day like today, you have the opportunity to buy another 30 OKBN. If OKBN go back to 10 Solana, so or OKBN now go back to 20 Solana, you know how much will be in profit. So this is one of the way to generate a wealth. So picking up all those, picking up NFTs when they are low, so and selling them back when they are up in price. There is another OKBS project which is called. Let me see. Okay. There's another OK beard. It's been called OK beard drop. Okay. It's like a yeah. OK beard drop. Abi, it will be called OK beard drop. It's not here. Okay, I have to go out from the search, which is why I think I can't get it. This one of their project called OK beard drop. Let me see if I can see it. Beard drop, something like that. I remember when that NFT, not too long, that particular NFT was still selling between how much? It was selling between 20 Solana. But I saw it a few days ago. It's now trading between 2, 3 Solana. So which is an opportunity, it's a good time to make offer in this particular NFT. So when this NFTs is up, you will flip them for Solana. Even when Solana is down, you flip them for Solana. But when Solana is up, you will be in profit, which is one of the way, at least to accumulate those NFTs. Okay, this is it. Yeah, I finally found it. So it's here because those are OKBS NFTs. Beer Drop, OKBS Studio. Yeah, I own this one, which is called OKBS Drop Foundations coin. This one here, Beer Drop. It's like there are 10 in numbers. Wait, let me try to make sure that I'm in full screen. 1,000 supply, the one I'm talking about. They have 1,000 mass supply, which is yes, market cap. Okay, the mass supply of the NFT. Yeah, 1,000. This NFTs. Oh, it's a good time, man. It's crazy, guys. Like for example, these NFTs. You guys, this particular NFTs is not much, and we have how many of them? 1,000 of them that will ever be in existence. Okay, 1,000 that will ever be in existence. But now you guys can see that. So I remember when this NFT was trading between 50 Solana for one, 50, 80, because it's not that much. Let's say, for example, you pick up those NFT. Now it's trading between 0.7 Solana, 0.7 Solana. You pick up 10 of them. Okay, some of them are one Solana. This one is point 0.7. This one is a point 0.7. This one is point 0.7. So this one is one. Let's say you pick them up for like one Solana. FOMO. Selike. So let's say you pick them up for one Solana, and when this if the final if OKB announce that there will be at least establishing its life. So when OKBA, let's say for example, they now announce that they will be doing an airdrop. You find out that, or even if not just airdrop, make some good announcement. You find out that those NFT will skyrocket, and they will be trading in a higher price. You will be able to flip them back for 2020 Solana. So it's one of the way to accumulate more Solana. So not just by buying Solana, but when you are buying Solana, try to pick up some good NFT that will also appreciate in price. So like for me, I will be making offer for this particular NFT, but which I don't think I should use this address. So that's because which I don't know if I will be because this address is on this particular device, and since to be I'm using it to stream, it's not good for picking up NFTs like that. So guys, you guys can see. So this is the power of using DCA trading. So let's see, look at the past 30 days transactions on NFTs trading. You guys can see here like Frogano, as of today, the floor price is point 0.8, followed by SMP, 16 Solana. So they are still NFT trading higher than the GOS is still trading between 5.8 Solana. I swear it goes down like that. This is the OKBA right now. OKBA is trading between a 1.6. So I remember when OKBA was one of the biggest NFT back then. OKBA was trading between, you have to spend almost about $10,000 to buy one OKBA. That is because Solana was trading between 250 $260, and you have to spend between how much 100 Solana to buy OKBA back then. So when the OKBA did back down to 60 Solana, I showed you guys the transaction all the time when I buy and when I flip. So when I was flipping, it's just that NFTs are down right now, and it's a good time to pick up NFT as well. So guys, for sure, so always tune in. So I will be live streaming every single day. You guys can see. So I try to make sure that I'm here every single day. Okay, FOMC meeting, Abby. FOMC meeting is live. Yeah. I hope that Ron Paul did not bring the market down. That's because you guys know the guy have they have a huge power to move market, and if he says something that did not rhyme with the crypto with the market, it will bring the market down for sure. To bring the market down. So we hope that the you know FOMC market, FOMC meeting, so it did not bring the market down. If Jerome Paul did not, let's see what Jerome Paul will say about the market. Let's see what Jerome Paul will say. I hope it did not bring the market down. Hope it did not bring the market down. When you go negative, they charge. So, guys, I'll be ending the stream. So, always smash the like and subscribe to the channel. Try to make sure your notification bell is on. And one thing I don't want you to forget is that, you guys are all smart and intelligent. So, don't let anybody intimidate you with their portfolio, showing you how much they own in their portfolio. So, don't let anybody intimidate you with their portfolio. So, which is why I try my possible best to just let you guys know what is happening in the crypto space without be showing you guys portfolios, every single time. But some of the time I have to let you guys know that this is how it works. So this is how I do build a portfolio in this space. So which you guys know that is necessary. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. Keep DCA using dollar cost average. So it's one of the way to make money. Bitcoin and crypto have created more millionaires than ever over the past few years. Even if as of today, we already have more than 58 million millionaires. So in 58 million millionaires on this planet. If each millionaire were to own a Bitcoin today, it's not possible. That is because Bitcoin is 21 million that will ever be in existence. So guys, Charisco is out. So maybe I will stream, let me see. I may stream the FOMC meeting. So I may stream it. So let me see. So I may be live once again. So listen, so I can stream the FOMC meeting, but I may not stream it. So let me check. So see you all tomorrow, guys. If you guys want me to, yeah, stay away now from at least for the market. But this year, but the market always has up and down. So the crypto market always has up and down. It's always volatile. I can say from so the crypto market is always volatile, which we all know about that. So guys, Charisco is out. See you all tomorrow. So or I will stream later the FOMC meeting. Depends on how it goes. So let me see.